How to find your blocked account on your TikTok account. Today guys, I will show you how to do this. Just watch this video until the end. Make sure that you like and subscribe in the channel. So let's start. First, you will just go to TikTok. Then for example, I will block someone on TikTok. For example, I will block this account. For example, block, yes. And then you will go to your profile, go to this three line here, then go to settings and privacy, and then go to privacy, then go down to the last option, blocked accounts, click, and here you will find the list of your blocked accounts. So if you remember, I blocked this account, so now I can find it. And that's it. I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you next video.